Up, everybody? Paulio Jr. again, and yeah, another relatively short video. This was actually for anybody who, for whatever reason, was having trouble trying to find out how to get the link. You have Amazon Associates, and typically, before you could log into Amazon Associates and you could search for the exact product and get the link or image that way. It doesn't work like that anymore. So just to be clear, now you actually have to go to the item itself, either on the desktop page, that's how we're viewing this now. So this would be like if I was viewing it on a computer. I just have it on desktop mode right now. So, and I just have it covered so it doesn't have, any personal information. But anyway, so all you would do is just search for you'd go to whatever, the Amazon app, or this specific one right here is going to the web page, finding the exact product, and now at the top, on the very top left-hand corner of the screen, it'll say Amazon Associates site stripe. And then it has text, image, and text and image together. So whenever I have, put a link in the description for a product, because there was a while where I didn't do that, and I went to go back to Amazon Associates, and it wasn't there. So here it is, it's right there on the page. You just literally click whichever one you want to use, text, image, text and image, copy that, and it goes the same way that it used to. You're just no longer visiting Amazon Associates to get the link. So now I'm going to pause the video, if I can, to show you what it's like on the actual Amazon app. So this is just the website. So let's see what we can do here. If there is a pause. Yeah, here we go. Pause button. Okay, so we're back in. I just had to scroll down a little bit. So now we're actually in the Amazon app itself. So in this is also extremely simple. To get the link for that, if say you were uploading from your phone, you just click the little share icon. These little three weird dots here on the right hand side, right? You click that, and then from there you would just click copy associates link. That's it. It's that simple. So if you were used to going to the Amazon Associates page and getting it from there, that no longer that no longer is a thing. It doesn't reside anymore. So I just showed you how to do it using a web browser on your computer, and then this is how you use it on the Amazon app on your phone. Very simple, very easy. So hope that helped somebody out there, because at first when I went to go back, I was like, what the hell is going on? And then I had to figure this out. So, all right, that is it. Just wanted to share that with anybody who was having an issue trying to find a link to something that, like a product they were reviewing. So, all right, guys, thank you very much. See you in the next one. Goodbye.